Hi guys, this is Kaka. We did an interview of her earlier, and she is wearing a padded bra. Quite padded, yeah. I didn't know bras could be so thick. It's not just thick, I mean, it's actually like it's filled up, with filler. I didn't know you could have such bras to simulate breasts. New place, new lady. Kaka got her boob job. They look natural, they look good. Main thing is she's happy. I'm surprised she didn't get them bigger, but she's happy and they look natural. She claims that they're not important to her, but I think she's happier with them.